Quick garden update here. We finally got our tomatoes. They're starting. Cucumbers are making some good progress. Look at that one there. And then broccoli isn't doing the best, if I'm being honest. But it's growing a little bit in some of them. This one's doing okay. Look at those flowerets. And then the green beans have just been attacked by something. I'm not sure what it is, but we do actually have some beans. But what I came out here for was I gotta get some basil. Gotta pick it, making some sauce for tonight's pasta. So this will make a nice little flavor boost, you know? All grown here, so that's awesome. This is like one of the first big harvest, and it's all gonna grow right back because we're only taking a little bit. Let's see. Wow, look, the peppers are starting. They're looking good. That one's got 2. This one unfortunately doesn't have any. Let's see. But we do, you know, we have some success. I'm waiting for these to actually turn into melons though. Let's see. Grapes. Here's our potatoes. So, you know, with that little harvest, I'm happy. Thanks for watching.